Okay, let's go.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Marit. Hey! Day 1.
Malambot. Lutog lang.
Okay pa kaya? Puta. Pag gumala po ba ako, ganyan na.
Stati ba? Ano din yun? Ano yun? Ikuli ka. Aray ko.
Yung...
Pwede kang blue or pink. Na.
Baba ko. Yeah.
Ay, yung ginagamit ko talaga.
Yes, you're the intense.
Dapat talaga ano.
Ito talaga yan. So, ikaw yun dapat talaga.
Japan.
Yeah.
TikTok break.
Hey!
Laging ganito yung smile. Para...
Alam mo kung yung mata ko may recording lang. Na-record ko
Okay,
ngayon.
good. Okay, good take.
Ayun pala, naka-record pa natin.
Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Marikina. I'm looking for a cafe na may wifi. And sa akin kasi may online class ako.
Magdilulong.
Ayan.
All right, welcome to Graphica Manila 2026.
So, Graphica Manila Day 1 is done. And now we're here staying at Grand West Hotel. It's a new hotel. And first time din namin dito. So, this is my fit for today's Day 1. Room tour tayo guys. Mabilis ang room tour. That's the overview. Bathroom. Complete naman with the towels, toilet, and then the shower. And nandito yung parang closet nila. Ayan, may ref. Ayan. Coffee, water, safe, closet, lagayan ng shoes, and biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Wow! Side table with a cute lamp. And that is the bed. Sucks lang. 'Di ba? Tapos, high ceiling siya. Kaya, it makes the room bigger. And then, that's the TV. Merong working table. And cute couch. And then, this is our view. Okada and Kingsford. Okay, so that's it for our quick room tour. It's the day 2 of Graphica Manila, so let's go! I'm so excited for today's topics, talks, inspiring artist. Sobra kasi kahapon, first day pa lang, ang dami ng inspiring words na nakuha natin sa mga speakers and also inspiring arts from them. So, let's go! Nandun na daw yung mga kasama ko, guys. Pero hindi naman ako super late. Pero mas konti yung tao ngayon kasi wala na rin event sa baba. Judging the ano. Single origin kami. Gano'ng katagal yung serve yung?
Pag food, ma, is around 25, but it's like a
Oh. Kaya? Depends on your order siguro.
Basta ano, standard ka.
25. I'll go. We have good coffee.
Depends yan.
Kasi yung Monte Cristo.
Isa Monte Cristo.
And Monte Cristo.
May drinks na kami in-order.
After bread. Kasing dun sa sandwiches, it's like over
Ube.
your name. Ito po. Brioche, Star Jones, tapos cheddar, mozzarella. That's little.
Thank you. Ay, for to go? Opo,
Sino order mo? Like, yung isang lalaki.
yung matangkad po. Sorry, kuya. Kala ko kakainin. Oo. Ano pansinin ka ng single origin?
Alright, because I don't order naman. I just always do.
Yes.
Gloria, Gloria. Sige,